Hi guys, this is RRR Refuel Ride Race channel, and let me welcome you to another car video, this time Peugeot 107. Great story. Stay with me and you will see what it is all about. So, as you see, the standard and original battery from the factory. And the car, it's year 2010, so unbelievable. More than 10 years old battery, still alive and working perfectly. Okay, this car was mostly outside, also during the winter time, and the battery is still alive. This is something unbelievable. I don't have any other words for describing it. This is all guys, this is all for now. Thanks for watching, and like always, like, share and subscribe. Till the next one.